I need to find a way back to the ranch. I remember there were other docks nearby. Maybe those boats will take me to different places.
Elena? Is that you? Come here. Elena! Thank God. Where have you been? You came home yesterday and didn't even say hello.
I know. It's just... I was with Lou. Have you seen her?
Lou? No, I thought she was with you. You didn't get into any trouble, did you?
Us? Trouble? No way.
You can fool others with your sweet charm, but not me.
Okay, no charm then. Can I use the phone and call her? Maybe she just went back home.
So you know where she lives now?
What do you mean? With her parents?
No, Elena. Lou and her parents... They recently had a fight. A huge fight. She moved out somewhere. That's all I know.
What? She didn't tell me. I thought, why did she keep that a secret?
You can try calling her parents. The number hasn't changed. Maybe. And you should really get some rest, darling.
So, I saw some weird stuff.
You're on a haunted ranch, darling.
I know, but this time it was seriously fucked up, even for these standards. Did you know that there are some underground labs around?
Yes, this whole department. How much have you heard about them?
They're splicing him into something else.
Into people. That's the rumor. And those rumors walk on two legs now. See? That's why I didn't want you to come back to the ranch.
I met a guy who said something about the Horned Circle cult. What's that?
Some nut jobs worshipping Not the first, and definitely not the last ones. But this time, it's something bigger. They're preparing for something, and apparently, they tried to sabotage the department's work.
Bye. Lou always loved her comic books. Shit! I had so many plans. I was 9 years old when my mother disappeared. She was sick for a long time, and at that point, she couldn't move anymore. My father never told me what actually happened that night.
There is one more thing that you can do. One last resort. But it's desperate.
I was asleep when I heard some noises. I opened my eyes and saw him, the horned man, peering into my room through the half-closed door, his antlers almost touching the ceiling. I froze and pretended to be asleep. Then he slowly went back. Next day, my mother's bed was empty. I asked my father if the horned man took her, and he said, "Don't say that name ever again." Shit. I almost forgot what all those kids were saying about me and my family. That was hard. Hi. I need to ask you something.
Yes?
That night, when my mother disappeared,
I thought we agreed not to talk about it.
I know, but I still think that I saw something. A silhouette. Somebody was in the house.
You were a child, Elena, and time blurs memories. Your mother passed away. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm sorry, dear, but let the past be the past.
Where's Uncle Spencer?
He should be somewhere near the bridge. You can help him and bring some wood. Those bloody cultists destroyed some parts of the ranch and even built barricades. Remember the grain field where you and Lou used to play?
Sure I do. Guess I'll look there.
You need to find a way to get rid of that barricade first.
Bye. I think a good old Molotov might be the way. But first, I need to find some kind of a workbench. Aunt Marilyn always supported my mother's art. They were sisters, but it would be hard to find other siblings that are so different. My mom sometimes felt guilty that Aunt Marilyn stayed here and took the family's curse on herself. If you live here, you can't leave. We all know that. many of my ancestors tried, and it didn't end up well for them. I remember sitting outside the house and sketching those flowers while crying. That was the day before my mother disappeared. But I don't have a lot of memories like this. Even though it's fucked up, this place holds mostly the good ones, from the times when Mother wasn't ill. It actually helps. My mother always knew the names of all the birds she heard. I still don't understand how that's even possible. Hi, Uncle. I heard you need some help.
Helena, so you're safe and sound. Who would have thought?
Not Aunt Marilyn. I swear she sometimes forgets that I'm You haven't seen Lou, right?
Lou? No. Did something happen?
Not really. I don't know where she is.
Look who's overprotective now,
That's different.
Yes. Yes, of course. Anyway, if you're worried about her, you should ask Eddie if you heard something.
Eddie?
Eddie the Hunter. That's what they call him. He's a guy who did the same thing I did years ago, which is fuck civilization and start living in the forest. The difference is, I did it for Marilyn. And Eddie did it because he hates people.
Understandable. Right. So, where can I find him?
He lives in a hut on the northern side of the forest. But I need your help with repairing this bridge first. And don't tell your aunt that I sent you there.
All right, I'll visit him. Bye.